Today I'm going to show you one of my go-to cabbage salads. It's Korean style, it is a little bit tangy, and it has a little bit of that sesame nutty taste, and it's so satisfying. You could eat the entire plate of your cabbage salad and be completely satisfied and also not feel guilty. 오늘의 레시피, 새콤달콤한 양배추 무침 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영으로 함께 하겠습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full ingredient list is available in the description box below, as well as the Korean product links that you could order online. For our cabbage salad today, we need about 130 gram-ish of shredded cabbage. Make sure to use organic cabbage if you can, because organic cabbage tends to be a lot sweeter than your conventional cabbage. To make our light and refreshing cabbage salad dressing, we need 1 tablespoon of creme fraiche. Now, if you want to save calories, you could also use Greek yogurt instead, but of course, creme fraiche is the bomb. And we need half teaspoon of vinegar. I'm using 현미식초. This is brown rice vinegar, but any white vinegar will do, and champagne vinegar would be fantastic. Half tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 pinch of salt, half teaspoon of brown sugar, and here I have white pepper, but if you don't have it, you could also use black pepper instead. And we're just gonna add 2 dashes. And this is optional, but I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of 소고기 Dashida. This is beef bouillon powder. You could use YonDu instead for my vegan friends, or 1 pinch of MSG, or don't add it at all. Then we're just gonna mix our ingredients. Oh, it smells so good. Until all the ingredients have mixed in well together, and look at that. This, I would put it on my sandwich, on my scrambled eggs, or just eat it with potato chips. Yes, do it, it's so good. Then we're gonna add our shredded cabbage to our bowl. And here I have 1 tablespoon of green onions, scallions, just the green part only. Then we're just gonna go in with our hands and mix everything up. Then we're gonna take 3 to 4 of these toasted seaweed, tear it up, and gently toss in with our cabbage salad. Oh, it smells so good! And then the only other thing I would do is add a little bit of sesame seeds on top like that. Less is more when it comes to sesame seeds, folks. And this is done. It smells like nutty and tangy from the sesame oil and vinegar. Oh, it's gonna be so, so good when I eat it too. Let's have a taste. My mouth, like it's salivating and it's like it wants to eat more. Just the slight taste from the vinegar and that nutty taste from the sesame oil, and then the crunchy, sweet taste of the cabbage. I would just eat this whole thing all by myself. I usually make double, triple the portion and eat most of it by myself, you know? I'm gonna just take another bite. I'm gonna show you the pro way of eating this. Yes, professional. I'm a professional eater. I love eating, what can I say? I would take a piece of seaweed, put some Korean rice on it, like so. Then some of the cabbage salad, like so. Then of course you have to put a piece of kimchi on top. Oh, it just got 100 times better. And then, if you want to make it extra, extra special, I would add a piece of avocado like that together. It's so good. The combination of all this together in my mouth is amazing. It's amazing. You have to try this at home. This is like your sort of lighter, tastier coleslaw in my opinion, because sometimes coleslaw gets a little too sweet and a little too heavy in mayo, but I still love it though, I do. I would put this out when I make sandwiches and also when I have barbecue parties. Ooh, this is a huge hit. Everybody's like, where can I make this? And I'm like, I'm not sharing with you. Yeah, you see all the barbecue recipes right here? You can make this at home, invite your friends and family, and have a fabulous party, and make your Korean-style coleslaw salad. If you want to check out those recipes, make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper. Click on the playlist tab and select Korean barbecue recipes, and I have authentic as well as fusion recipes that you can make at home and impress your friends and family. As always, I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so, and hit that notification bell. And perhaps share today's recipe with your friends and family. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of these recipe videos you see right here.